All right, last half of your assignment. Angle relationships and triangles. Triangles can be classified according to their side length and angle measures. If it's an equilateral, then all sides are equal. If it's isosceles, then only two sides are equal. Which also means two angles are equal. And scaling means no sides are equal, or angles. Obtuse means that the triangle has one angle greater than 90 degrees. Right means it has one right angle. And acute means all angles are smaller than 90 degrees. The blank of three angles in a triangle is blank. This is sum is 180 degrees. Using info about the triangle, you can set up an equation to determine any missing angle measures. So at the bottom, I've got 37, 81, and x. I'm going to say x plus 37 plus 81 equals 180. I'm going to add 37 and 80. 1. That's 8, 118. So I'm going to say x plus 118 equals 180. Then I'm going to subtract 118 from both sides. Cross these out. X equals, this is 10, 2, 6. This is 62 degrees. Over here, this is 45, this is x, and this is 90. So x plus 45 plus 90 equals 180. This is a special triangle. It's called a 45, 45, 90 triangle. I'm naming the values of the angles. So x is 45. And how do I get that? Because 45 plus 45 equals 90 plus 90 right here equals 180. Last one here, if this is x and they have these tick marks here, that means all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. So this is 3 x's because I count 1, 2, 3, and they equal 180. To solve for x, I'm going to say divide by 3 on both sides. X equals 60 degrees because 3 times 60 is 180. Circle that. Here I have two angles. I'm sorry. Answer each of the questions below. Be sure to show your thinking. That's showing your work. An isosceles triangle has two angles that measure 37 degrees each. So I'm going to draw a picture. It's isosceles, so two of them are the same. Two sides are the same. And these two angles down here would be the ones that are the same. So this is 37, and this is 37, and this is x. Put 37 down here. Whoops, I put 3x. 37. I need two equations that will get me to the total of this triangle. I'm going to draw this triangle a little better over here. Equal, 37, and 37. Write these equations the same way that we wrote the ones on the page prior. In triangle QRS, the measure of angle RSQ is 29.1, and the measure of angle QRS is 80. So I'm going to draw a triangle. QRS is 80. RSQ is 29.1. What is SQR? So we're going to put an X here. Solve for that one. Triangle NOP is shown below. What is the measure of angle N? This is X, and this means that it's 90 degrees. Write an equation to solve for X. That would be 90 plus 42.7 plus X equals 180 degrees. Down here, I'm going to add all three of these angles, solve for X, and then I have to go plug X in. So I'm going to say 2X plus 3, or 8, plus X plus 7, plus 63 equals 180. I'm going to combine my X's. I have 2 X's here and 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3X, and 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 63 is 78. 3X plus 78 equals 180. Find X and then find the value of these two angles. Let me make sure I did that right. X plus 7 is 15. 5 plus 3 is 8. Carry a 1 and then 78. Same thing over here. Set up and solve the equation to find the measure of each missing angle. I've got X plus 20 plus 3X plus 32 equals 180. I'm going to solve or combine my 3X and my 1X to give me 4X. And then I'm going to add my 20 to my 32, which gives me 52 equals 180. Solve for X and then plug it in. I have 3 X's here, and then I'm going to add my X to 20. Angle E is 32 degrees because they give that to me. And angle B over here is 63 degrees. Down here, they want me to set up an equation for solving for X and then the missing angles. Good luck.